How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at labels in Trello. So these are super handy for organizing your tasks, but sometimes you might want them neat and easy to follow. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So simply open a card on your board, and at the top, you then see the labels option alongside dates, checklist, and members. So simply click labels and you then see your list of colors, a create new label button, and even a colorblind friendly option. So while Trello doesn't let you drag to reorder labels directly, you can still manage them by creating new labels in the order you want or updating their names and colors for clarity. So using these options makes it easier to visually track tasks and ensures everyone on your team can quickly understand the labels even if they're colorblind. So that's really it. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.